oversee a school district, which means I am always thinking about my students. What are they learning? How are they growing? What opportunities do they need to get ahead? Let me show you what I mean. Engineer for the Week gives students the opportunity to work in small groups to create amazing technology. The program is broken up into 3 phases: the prep phase, the sprint phase, and the finish phase. Each group gets to create a tech project, such as a chatbot or game, about a social issue that matters to them, like clean water, bullying, or even stress management. The program can be run by anyone. You just need an adult who's interested in leading, a few computers, and a small group of students who want to build something great. Many of our students don't have exposure to careers in engineering or computer science. We like how Engineer for the Week demystifies technology and encourages students to care about the world around them.
How exciting can a game about water be?
That's the fun part, and also the challenge.
How hard will it be in making this game?
Well, from what I read, if we follow this thing called Scrum, it'll be pretty easy.
Well, it's something that engineers use to help shape how they develop products.
That's pretty cool.
Maybe we can include info on how to help people who don't have access to clean water.
Yeah, I have all the materials, and we'll walk through it step by step. And if we have questions, then there are engineers that we can connect with along the way. I've got something to show you.
The class went on to create a clean water game using simple programming techniques. The students learned so fast and were ready to keep building, so we decided to explore a different aspect of the program and found some results even closer to home. Let me show you what I mean. When the projects get personal, we see the students grow not just in knowledge, but in life.
I love this show. Chuck and Blair are so cute together. Do you think they're gonna get married?
I shouldn't even be watching this right now.
You still have a week until finals.
What's this?
A chatbot I made about stress.
You made this?
Well, me and a few other people from school. Will you try it?
Sure.
Do you want to see how I programmed it?
Sure.
Okay.
Naya didn't only help her sister. She's now considering studying engineering in college. I expect a very bright future for her. As educators, we're always looking to show our students how they can impact their own lives as well as the lives of others. Join us as we empower students to create their own technologies. Together, we can engineer a better world.